Hey guys, welcome to my nighttime routine. This is when the day is done. I am done with meetings, filming, Jaden's done with soccer, and we just get to come home and relax. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys my skincare routine and everything that I've been putting on my face lately. At night, I really am happy with how my skin has been turning out. This video is sponsored by Olay. I've been trying out their Retinol Moisturizer, and that is a nighttime moisturizer that has been really changing my face. Jaden goes upstairs to change, and I always tell him, make sure to change and come back down for dinner. And then I go and change myself into some comfortable clothes. So I head straight to my closet. The first thing I do is put away my accessories and take off my shoes and just put on some really comfortable pants. The ones that I'm wearing today are my favorite. They're these new joggers from White Fox, and I probably wear them way too much. I wear them all the time. Then I just put my hair up to get comfortable and then go straight to the kitchen because I'm usually super hungry. And Caesar's actually with us here, but he's behind the camera. He doesn't really want to be on camera today, but he's chilling in the background. And while we eat, we usually talk about the day, how practice went. We talk about my day. Everybody kind of shares what they had for the day. And then we go and watch TV. We usually watch a movie or something. We end the night like that. Today, we're watching one of my favorite movies, The Devil Wears Prada, and we're just cuddling on the couch with little Mochi and petting him and just relaxing before we get ready for bed. Now it's time for my skincare routine, which I have been loving because my skin has really changed. I first take off my makeup with a makeup wipe, but usually my makeup wipes don't take off my makeup as much as my face halo. So after I do a little bit of a wipe, then I go into my face wash and my face halo, and I wash my face with the top part of the face halo. I just wet it a little bit, and then I start to work it in circular motions around my face. And this really removes all of the makeup that was left behind from the makeup wipe. Since I've been doing this, my skin has cleared up so much. And then I flip the face halo over, and then I put on a toner just to make sure that everything is extra clean and all of the residue from the makeup is completely removed. My favorite part of my skincare routine is definitely moisturizing my face because my skin is dry. I've been using the Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 for the past few weeks, and I have seen such a difference. I've always been a little skeptical about retinol just because it's so aggressive and my skin is really sensitive, but I've tried this for a few weeks and there has been no irritation on my skin. My skin is brighter, smoother, and you can visibly see your skin become smoother, which is insane. I love this moisturizer. They have it in a serum and an eye cream, but I mainly just use the moisturizer in this form. And I just put it all over my face, and the next morning I wake up and my skin is so hydrated. It's not oily or anything. It sits on the skin really well. It has a combination of B3 plus Olay's most transformative retinoid complex. That's 2 types of retinol, and it gives you a 24-hour hydration. Also, retinols are usually kind of pricey, but this is only $28.99, so it's so affordable. I really enjoy it. Because my skin is a little bit smoother and brighter, I don't have to wear as much foundation. I've actually just been doing concealer, and I am really happy with how my skin has been looking. So it's really made me just love my skin a little bit more. And then I brush my teeth and remove all of my accessories. I can't go to bed with any type of necklace or earring on. I remove all my accessories, and then I put on a moisturizer on my lips. So I just been using the Nurse Jamie lip balm. So I like this one. I also like the Versali, a unicorn mask. I use that one a lot. And then I'll go ahead and go straight to my bed. I actually lit a candle tonight because I wanted all of the fall vibes in my room. So I've been loving this vanilla pumpkin candle. I have several. And before I head straight to bed, I always watch TV, and I always have to put on my glasses because I can't see TV that far. I have a water bottle by my side, and then part of my routine also is to drink water at night. So right before I go to bed, I drink water, and so I have a bottle right next to me. And sometimes I'll read a book, and reading makes me sleepy, so then I will blow up my candle and finally go to sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos including my family, I have a second channel where it's not so much about makeup, it's more about my personal life, and that is Dominique Fam, so make sure to go subscribe there. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, dollies.